Christmas, so I want to put out, hopefully as many as I can, some Christmas items on video. Today we're going to do a real quick spiced or smoked pecans. It's something I always have around my house during the holidays, and it's pretty simple to make. So let's get started here. I've got 2 tablespoons of butter melted here in the pan. I'm going to put this on a medium-low heat. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to put about 1/8 of a teaspoon of liquid smoke. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And 1 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce. Make sure it's a teaspoon. I'm going to stir that up, get everything to melt and mix good. Now I've got this is a 10-ounce package of pecans, and you want to get the good half. Try not to get too many crumbs. Now I'm just going to stir this up to coat the pecans real good. Okay, that's good, coated very well. Now I'm going to just pour this onto a baking sheet, and I've got it lined with foil. My oven preheated to 300 degrees. We're just going to pop this in the oven. We're going to bake that for 30 minutes, but every 10 minutes I'm going to take it out and stir it up a little bit, and then bake it another 10 minutes and stir it. At the end of 30 minutes we'll have spiced pecans once it cools off and dries out a little bit, and there you have your Christmas snacks. So the first 10 minutes is up. So I'm just gonna kind of stir these up a little bit, and they bake evenly. So we'll do this 2 more times, and then they'll be finished. Okay, 30 minutes is up. We're just going to let that cool off to room temperature. We'll give it a taste and see if we need to add any salt or maybe a little more cayenne, whatever. I think I got it plenty spicy for me. When you do this recipe, you may want to put less Tabasco or less cayenne in it. So if you like this recipe, it's nice, quick, and easy. Give me a thumbs up, a like, and please subscribe to Ed Foodie. Thank you. We hope you have a Merry Christmas. Okay, they've cooled off to room temperature. Catherine's going to be our taster today.
Very good.
Too spicy or okay? Or?
It's not spicy.
Better let me try that. Catherine likes really hot things.
Spicy?
Just right. Just a little bit of a kick.
Very good.
Yeah, very good. Really good recipe. So once again, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to Subscribe to Ed Foodie. Bye.